同学们好，大家好。I would like to do an extra lesson with you guys. Some student told me that found a little bit hard for the question solving in our homework. So now let's have a look all together. The first one, the sum of three numbers is 1,305. The first number is 360. The second number is twice the first number. What is the third number? So we know this three number put all together is 1,305. Okay, so third number actually is this whole number, the total number, take away this much. Right? So this first two number is 3 times 360. So we worked out it's 1,080. Then now the third number is easier, right? 1,305 take away 1,080 we work out from here, right? And then we get 225. The answer is the third number is 225, right? Now let's have a look at the number 2. Question number 2. Mary had 129 apples. Tom had 127 more apples than Mary. Linda had 195 more apples than Tom. How many apples did Linda have than Mary? First step, draw a diagram. Mary had this much. Tom had this much, right? Linda had this more, 195 more than Tom. So Linda had this much. Then we look at the diagram, we still straight away can see the Linda and the Mary, look at here, right from here, right? This is how much is Linda had more than Mary. So it's very easy. 127 plus 195. So we'll work that here. We get the answer is 322. The answer is Linda had 322 more apples than Mary. Okay? Good. Now let's have a look at number 3. Number 3, Jacob had twice as many marbles as Jerry. Kenny had 3 times as many marbles as Jacob. They had 846 marbles altogether. How many more marbles did Kenny have than Jerry? Okay, 3 people again. Okay, Jerry had that much. Jacob had this portion twice. Let's talk about unit again, right? Okay, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 units, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit. Okay, they are a proportion. They all same number every unit. So we know the 9 units is 846. So each unit, it's easy, right? 9 units is 846. So we divide by them 9, we get 94. So 1 unit is 94. Then Kenny had 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. But he's take away 1 unit from Jerry. So he has 5 units more than Jerry. 5 units, 5 times 94 equals 470. We work out from here, right? So the answer is Kenny had 470 more marbles than Jerry. Okay, clear? Number 4. Question number 4. There were 5 times as many strawberries as blueberries in a container. Joe ate half of the number of the strawberries, and 120 strawberries were left in the container. How many strawberries and blueberries were in the container at first? First step, draw a diagram. Strawberry, this much is strawberry. Okay, 5 units, 5 times. And he eats half. Half is 120. So the whole lot together is 240. Yeah? 120 plus 120. It's here, it's twice. Just 240. So 5 units is 240. Then 1 unit is 48. We worked out from here. Okay, this one. Then now we know 48 is 1 unit, right? 48 is 1 unit. Then plus this 240. This 240 is how many units? We just calculated 5 units there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we get 288. We worked from here. The answer is 288 strawberries and blueberries were in the container at first. Okay, now let's have a look at number 5. Number 5, there were 67 more boys than girls in a field. After 18 children had left the field, there were 373 children left. How many boys were there in the beginning? Okay, we only want to know the boys, right? But we know how many boys more than girls? It's 67. It's 67. Right? Now, we know also 337 children left. We still have 18 children there. So add this all together should be 391. All total boys and girls all together is 391. Then take away 67. Then we know this is 2 units are equal. Yeah, then 67 is not equal, but these 2 units are equal. So now we can divide by 2. Okay? Worked out from here, 327 divided by 2, we get 162. 162 is 1 unit. Then 1 unit is 162. And the boy has more than girl is 67. So we get from here, this is amount. This is amount. Is this whole boys? Boys. Okay. This is the boys. This all this much is the boys. Okay. So we get the answer. Work out from here. The answer is 229. So that there were 229 boys in the beginning. Okay. Number 6. Jessica had twice as many sweets as Linda and 25 fewer sweets than Zoe. They had 100 sweets altogether. How many sweets did Zoe have? We just draw a diagram, always helpful. Okay, first step. Linda had that much, 1 unit. Jessica had twice, so 2 units. And Zoe had 2 units plus 25. But we know this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units plus 25 is equal 100, right? 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units plus 25 is 100. So we do this other way. We 100 take away this 25. Then just should be 5 units, right? So we 100 take away 25, take away this much, is 75 left. Now we can have 5 units is 75. So 1 unit is 15. 75 divided by 5. 75 divided by 5, we get 15. So Zoe had twice 15 plus 25. Yeah? Zoe had 2 units and 25. So Zoe have 30 plus 25 equals 55. So the answer is Zoe had 55 sweets. Okay? Now let's have a look at the number 7 and 8 if we have time, which is this is your this week homework. But we can just have a quick look first. 315 children were going to the zoo. Each bus could seat 30 children. What was the least number of the buses they needed to take all the children to the zoo? Okay, children, first draw a diagram. Children had 315. And the buses had how many buses? 30 each, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay? 30, 30. And this much is, and still something left over. Yeah? So we need to say, okay, 315 divided by 30. How can you 30? This is just weird. Okay. Divide by 30. Divide by 30. You work from here. Straight away you see it's 10, then remainder 15. That means 10 buses take 30 children each, and they still have 15 children left. This is parts. This is called the remainder. Still 15 children left. Each bus takes 30 children. Okay? And still have 15 children left. So how many buses here? Because divided by 30 equals 10. So there's a 10 buses needed. What about there's 15 children there? Still need 1 bus. Is that right? You can't say they can't go to the zoo. So this is why we have another 1 here. Okay, so equal 11 buses, which means total 11 buses. The last bus only takes 15 students. Okay, 15 children. So the answer is the least number of buses needed to take all children to the zoo was 11. Now I can't do any longer, time consuming, and the number number 8, you work it out yourself, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.